दोस्तों जय हिंद, जय भारत, नमस्कार. In continuation with our power electronics discussion, today I have considered a important topic, a basic topic, rather than I say important, it's a basic topic. What type of power electronics component, especially the diode, the SCR and the IGBT, how the basic difference are being defined in terms of technical specification. मैं थोड़ा आपको समझाने की कोशिश करूँगा. What is the difference between the diode, SCR, a thyristor family, and then the insulated gate bipolar transistor. For my new the beginners, I will say semiconductor family. The first one is nothing but a diode. You can see मैं diode को एक गेट के साथ कंपेयर करता हूँ. एक there is one person, he is supposed to come in front of the gate, and then you can see there is a sensor. ये आदमी गेट के पास आता है, सेंसर उसको डिटेक्ट करता है, and then immediately sensor will open the gate. This is nothing but you can see here, once the person appear, जैसे आदमी उस गेट के सामने आता है, ये गेट खुल जाता है. दिस इज कॉल्ड अनकंट्रोल. दैट मीन्स यहाँ पर आपका कोई कंट्रोल नहीं है. जस्ट एनी पर्सन कैन appear in front of the gate, the sensor will sense the gate and it will open, it will allow the person. इसी इवेंट को मैं अपने डायोड के साथ में कंपेयर करता हूँ. यू कैन सी डायोड इज नथिंग बट कंसिस्ट ऑफ टू टर्मिनल. वन इज कॉल्ड एनोड एंड सेकंड वन इज कॉल्ड कैथोड. इट्स अ पीएन जंक्शन डायोड विथ सिंगल लेयर. यू कैन सी हियर एनोड एंड कैथोड की टोपोलॉजी अगर आप देखेंगे, द डायोड इज वंस द एनोड इज पॉजिटिव विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू द कैथोड, द डायोड विल कंडक्ट. जैसे एनोड पॉजिटिव है विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू द कैथोड, then diode will conduct. The PN junction will break down at a voltage of 0.6 in case of germanium and silicon. You can see here the once the anode is positive, it will change its state. मैं अगर बोलता हूँ कि अगर एनोड पॉजिटिव होता है तो the diode which was in off state, non-conductive stage, now it is in on state, that is called a conductive stage, and many people they consider as a switch and open to close. This control of anode to cathode is depends on the voltage level. आपका हाथ में कुछ नहीं है. You cannot control. Once the anode is positive, diode will conduct automatically, and that is why it is called uncontrolled rectifier, uncontrolled device. But how it is been used? It is been used for the blocking purpose, used for the freewheeling application and voltage dropper also. ये तीन application diode की बहुत major application है. बट इन लेटर पार्ट यू कैन सी, मैं एक दूसरा इवेंट आपके सामने रखता हूँ. देर इज वन गेट, एंड गेट के ऊपर एक आदमी आता है. देर इज वन पर्सन, एंड देन दिस पर्सन इज स्लोली कमिंग टू द गेट, बट गेट नहीं खुलता है. द गेट इज रिमेन्स क्लोज. इन दैट पर्टिकुलर केस द पर्सन, द गेट कीपर, मैंने यहाँ पर एक गेट कीपर बताया है. यू कैन सी द गेट कीपर हैज टू कम डाउन. He has checked that particular person is available, and then he applied, he said yes, now we can open the gate. He pushed that button and gate is slowly being opened. That means jo in the first case the control is with the sensor. Now this is in this particular case the control is with the gatekeeper. मैं इसी इवेंट को मैं अगर थायरिस्टर फैमिली का एक मेंबर है जिसका नाम है थायरिस्टर सिलिकॉन कंट्रोल रेक्टिफायर, मैं इसी के साथ इसको मैच करता हूँ. नाउ गेट इज बीन ओपन एंड देन दिस पर्सन कैन वेरी वेल क्रॉस दिस. This is anode, this is cathode. I will put, and this is called a gatekeeper. Now I will compare this topology with a P and junction, 3-layer junction. One is anode, second is cathode, and third one is called a gate. In case of जो diode में नहीं था, now it will be introduced, it's a gate. This gate is been considered, it's a control terminal. जब तक एनोड पॉजिटिव है, कैथोड नेगेटिव है, बट अगर गेट सिग्नल अप्लाई नहीं करेंगे आपका थायरिस्टर कंडक्ट नहीं होगा. वंस यू अप्लाइड a गेट सिग्नल, द थायरिस्टर विल कंडक्ट. दिस इज नॉट सो सिंपल, बट आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए व्हाट इज द बेसिक डिफरेंस बिटवीन द डायोड एंड द SCR. The diode is been considered as uncontrolled rectifier, whereas in this case the gate is a controlled rectifier. Now you can see the anode is positive with respect to the cathode when appropriate. बहुत बढ़िया वर्ड यूज़ किया है मैंने यहाँ पर. appropriate positive gate signal is applied, the SCR will conduct. The output voltage is possible with gate signal only, and that is why it is called a control rectifier. Where it is being used, this thyristor is being used for the inverter purpose, the crowbar application, the द स्विचेस एप्लीकेशन, जहाँ पर आपको स्विचेस टाइप का आजकल के दिन में स्टैटिक स्विच में भी यूज होता है। SCR कैन नॉट वर्क विथ हाई स्विचिंग फ्रिक्वेंसी। मैं अगर आपको बताऊं कि SCR अगर 500-600 हर्ट्स के लिए ऑन ऑफ करना है, इट विल वर्क, बट इफ यू वांट टू ऑन एंड ऑफ द SCR इन किलो हर्ट्स, this is not possible because the SCR has having a on state voltage drop ज़्यादा रहता है, and that is why the SCR cannot be used for the high frequency application. So the third family member what we have seen is nothing, जहाँ पर आपके गेट को बार बार ऑन ऑफ करना है, जैसे मैंने आपको एक गेट दिखाया, कभी खोलना है कभी बंद करना है विथ हायर स्विचिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी। अगर आपको बहुत फ्रीक्वेंसी ज़्यादा है, then there is a third element, third semiconductor, which is called a collector emitter, and then there is an insulated gate, and that is why this element, this component is being called insulated gate bipolar transistor. And this is, you can see here, when you applied a gate pulse, this particular transistor will operate. When you applied a negative pulse, the transistor will be switched off. So to switch on and switch off, you have to apply a positive and a negative pulses to the gate accordingly, so that your transistor will switch on and switch off with a high switching frequency. This is the biggest advantage of IGBT over the SCR. With the appropriate positive gate pulse, transistor will conduct, and with a negative gate pulse, transistor will becomes a non-operative, that is called a stop conduction. And IGBT can switch on and switch off a number of times. You can switch on and switch off the IGBT 2 kHz, 4 kHz, 6 kHz, 8 kHz, 16 kHz, but with the increment of the switching loss will be increased. So this is called as insulated gate bipolar transistor. आप उसको ऑन ऑफ कर सकते हैं, and that is why it is being used for आज के दिन में active front end rectifier, brake application, soft application, and inverter also. Now let me try to summarize the action diode, thyristor and IGBT. Diode has been declared as an uncontrolled rectifier. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, thyristor is again having a gate signal control, and that is why it is called a control rectifier. IGBT again having a control rectifier. Diode is unidirectional. That means only current will flow from positive to negative, P to N only, and that is why the thyristor is again unidirectional, but the IGBT is having a bidirectional facility. That means IGBT के क्रॉस में एक डायोड रहता है. You can conduct the transistor on anode to on a positive as well as the bidirectional bidirectional control through the anti-parallel diode connected across the transistor. The diode has a limited on-off control. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, thyristor also limited, but the IGBT you can switch on and switch off a number of times. The on-state losses are quite high in diode and as well as in thyristor, but the on-state losses are moderate in case of IGBT, but the switching losses in case of IGBT is quite on higher side. So when you select a component, these are the major parameter you need to consider for the design purpose: diode, thyristor and IGBT. We will continue. In case of cost, the diode is a so cheap element. Medium thyristor थोड़ा महंगा रहता है, but if you consider IGBT is the highest cost, and the IGBT is considered as a कभी आपको यूज़ करना है तो इक्विपमेंट का कॉस्ट बढ़ जाता है. With this presentation, we will stop this lesson number 5. We will continue this discussion. Thank you. धन्यवाद.